Hey everyone, it's JJ from Micro E Futures. I'm trying out this live streaming. I'm going to do the weekend update on it. So, hope everyone's having a great weekend. And we're starting out with the old candle chart. We are in this zone, which is underneath 57.80 and a quarter now. Um, I'm sorry I don't have the marking tools on this because I usually use Zoom, so I'll have to figure that out. But yeah, we closed 57.71, 57.80 and a quarter. That's a big level for us. So you can look at all of the inventory since September is long over 57.80. So it might take a little while to clean this up. I'm looking to see whether we can get back up over 57.80 on the longer term. And then we've got that 200-day moving average up at 58.50. So there's probably going to be some resistance there because, of course, there's inventory above it. And I'm sure people will be waiting to sell up there. Looking at a market profile chart, we have, you can see the close of yesterday. These are another sort of set of levels that I have. So we had a 59.45 balance to 61.15. Once again, you can see all of that inventory parked up over 58.25, in fact, going all the way back. This is back into November. So what we did was we came underneath 59.45. As we come into this sort of ugly colored brown zone, we were looking for the bottom here at 56.20. That's where my target would be because it's the double of the balance zone, which is this is the discount zone. So if this is the profit zone up there, balance times two, the discount zone is down here. So we're in the discount zone now as the market is on sale and people are selling out. We're trying to find a bottom. Have we found a bottom? Well, there's some levels that you can look for going forward next week. One of them was 57.80, but sort of more in the vicinity. We have 57.24, and we'll see if that that holds going into Monday morning, Tuesday sort of thing. 57.85, you're going to have sellers there. That's where they initiated, the sell on the overnight and yesterday, Friday's RTH. So to the top of the zone is 58.25. The middle is 57.04. We did a look below and fail of the middle. And let's see what happens. 55.84 is the bottom of the larger zone, and we'll see what happens long term. I don't like to call bottoms. I'd rather let the market find the bottom, and then we can go ahead and trade. I'm not a fortune teller, so I will not be trying to call a bottom. Let's go take a look at what you can do on Sunday night. Here's our close. So the trades for Sunday night are usually when a market catches people short going into the last hour of the day in that M period, last hour of the day. Usually what will happen is the market will backfill. We close 71. So if we take out the 70 and get underneath where we parked all the inventory at 69, we will be looking for 57.60 on the downside. And then we will be looking at 57.45. That's where those people got trapped going into the last half hour of the day. So that's where the responsive buying will be on a backfill. And the overnight's a good time to backfill. Now, what if there's no sellers, right? What if the sellers don't have to compete in lower price, right? What if there's no price competition? What if there's, enough buying where, we start looking higher? So if we open up here, the upper stops are 57.75 and a quarter, 57.77 and a half, and then we have the high of Friday. So what I do is I go and look where that inventory was parked at the end of the day, and then I'll draw my balance zone. I'm just using that high and that low, and then I'll double it to the upside. This is the profit zone, and then you double it to the downside, which is the discount zone. And what that does is it gives you a nice way to observe where the movement of inventory is coming. So, the trades we love are the look below and fail of 57.54 to 62 to 69, or, if we do a look above and fail of 57.92 and then come back in, you can short it down to 84 and then 77 quarter. And that's pretty much it. That's how we trade. We use very simple, real world execution models. Our We build our business based on the business of the market. So there's no indicators or special software. You got a 1 minute candle chart and a couple of straight lines. We can teach you how to be profitable and how to manage risk. So come visit us at Micro E Futures. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and we will be starting to live stream my daily teaching lessons, and one is at 7:30 in the morning UK time, which is 2:30 in the morning New York time, and also, of course, I do a 9 a.m. Eastern time, a half hour prep before the market opens, and that's an hour and a half. I do that every day. So hopefully you guys come and join us. We have a 7-day free trial at Micro Futures. Come check us out. Doesn't cost you anything. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we will see you in the week. Remember, trade safe, and please watch your risk as these markets get crazier and crazier. We'll definitely try and help you manage that risk. Bye for now.